Happy New Year to you YouTubers. Pitch dark out here, so odds are probably won't be able to see anything, but bring in 2014. We got to do a cold start if we can find what we're looking for in this pig pen of a barn. Got to bring in the new year with if I can find this thing. Got so much junk in here. Jeez, oh whiz. I'll find it. Here it is. No, that ain't it. So we're on this side apparently. More junk in here trying to walk around. Crunch, crunch, and crunch. Anyway, you guys, found it earlier. That's the funny thing. Oh, here it is. What do we have here? You know, it's a beautiful, beautiful night to cut grass around here. It's around 0 degrees, and yeah, it's nice weather for cutting grass. Let's see if this lawnmower is going to start. It has not been started in about 3 months. Odds are the battery's not even charged up. I got to try to hold the phone somehow. Which
Stop recording video. Stop recording video.
okay, it's still going. I got to find somewhere to sit this because I can't hold it. Oh well, the lens is covered up. You guys enjoy. Anyway, see if anything happens at all. I'm flooding it intentionally. Well, she was. Darn it. Trying to get off the seat. Wasn't quite warmed up enough. The battery's really weak. Sit here and watch it. Running way lean tonight. It's cold. Man, is it cold. Sure ain't gonna take any throttle yet. There she is. Now she's gonna run. Get the phone off of here. Let her warm up. Ugh. So there is a... I can't get out of here. About a 10-degree cold start of this thing, you guys. I'd like to get you down by the muffler, but that ain't gonna happen. Might have some gasoline freeze-up going on. Open the hood here. Get down. Let her warm up good. Stop this video here, you guys. Hope you enjoyed. I kind of got a little too quick with a choke putting it in and stalled her out. Didn't want to do that as cold as it is. I didn't want to run the starter any more than I had to. I can't get out of here either. So anyway, you guys, Happy New Year to all of you, and hope 2014 is good to you.